Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to pair headphones to your Samsung S25. To pair headphones, you should simply first go to the settings, then go to connections, Bluetooth, make sure that it's set to on, and now put your headphones in pairing mode. And it depends on your headphones how to put them because different ones may be put differently. I have the AirPods here, so in order to put them in pairing mode I need to open the lid, then press and hold on the back button until a white light starts blinking here. Now it has started blinking, so they are in pairing mode, and I should be able to click on scan here. Then I can click on AirPods. Now pair, and they are indeed paired. And if you don't know how to put your headphones in pairing mode, lots of headphones have been recorded on our channel, so you can easily find that on how to put them in pairing mode. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.